As the demand for professional-grade at-home styling continues to soar, salon-quality blow dryers have become essential tools, not just for beauty enthusiasts, but also for meticulous hobbyists, including digital typists and gamers who appreciate high-performance gear. This comprehensive guide evaluates the market's leading hair dryers based on control switch types, build quality and motor specifications, ergonomic layout, and overall value.
Product number 1. Ella Bella Professional Ionic Hair Dryer with Diffuser. The Ella Bella Professional Ionic Hair Dryer offers a harmonious blend of rapid drying speeds and intelligent thermal protection suited for all hair types. Equipped with advanced negative ion technology, it neutralizes static electricity to eliminate frizz and seal the hair cuticle for a mirror-like finish. The lightweight, ergonomic layout incorporates low-noise technology, ensuring a quieter drying experience without sacrificing airflow power. It features intuitive rocker switch controls for multiple heat and speed configurations, letting users precisely tailor their blowout. Bundled with a specialized diffuser attachment for curls and a smoothing concentrator, it delivers exceptional everyday salon performance and accessibility.
Product number 2. Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium 2000 Watt Blow Dryer. A staple in professional salons worldwide, the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Blow Dryer packs a high-performance 2000 watt Italian motor into a lightweight, stylish housing. Nano titanium technology distributes heat evenly to protect hair from localized heat damage while emitting natural negative ions for fast, frizz-free drying. The handle features an intuitive layout with side-mounted rocker switches controlling 6 heat and speed settings, alongside a dedicated cold shot button to lock styles into place. Built with heavy-duty internal architecture, a removable rear filter for effortless maintenance, and an included concentrator nozzle, this tool delivers elite longevity and professional value.
Product number 3. Conair Infinity Pro Hair Dryer with Diffuser and Concentrator. The Conair Infinity Pro 1875W delivers powerful ceramic-based styling performance wrapped in an ergonomic, user-friendly design. Utilizing ceramic technology, it produces gentle far-infrared heat that safely dries hair from the inside out, minimizing thermal stress. The layout features a secure no-slip grip handle, multiple custom heat and speed settings, and a dedicated cool shot option governed by easy-to-reach slide switches. Complete with a 6-foot flexible power cord, a smoothing concentrator nozzle, and a volumizing diffuser attachment, this versatile black dryer caters effortlessly to both sleek straight styles and bouncy defined curls.
Product number 4. Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Italian Portofino Hair Dryer. The Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Portofino represents the pinnacle of Italian engineering, driven by an ultra-powerful 2000-watt long-life Italian AC motor. This powerhouse features a true ion generator that floods airflow with negative ions, cutting down drying time while imparting brilliant shine. The robust exterior houses 6 versatile heat and speed settings, managed via tactile side switches that respond smoothly during use. Designed for heavy-duty salon or home use, it includes 2 ultra-thin slide-on concentrator nozzles with cool touch sides, a removable stainless steel filter, and a generous 9-foot professional cord. Its unmatched build quality and elite airflow pressure makes it a top-tier investment.
Product number 5. Babyliss Pro Ceramics Extreme Hair Dryer. Powered by high-wattage ceramic technology, the Babyliss Pro Ceramics Extreme generates extra gentle, even far-infrared heat designed to shield hair cuticles from excessive thermal damage. Encased in a striking soft touch or high-gloss housing, this professional dryer utilizes a high-performance AC motor that delivers strong airflow pressure. The switch layout features intuitive dual speed settings, multiple temperature controls, and an easily accessible cold shot button. While its durable internal components add a bit of heft to the chassis, the balanced grip and long professional swivel cord ensure comfortable handling, making it a favorite for fast, frizz-free drying on thick, coarse hair textures. Product number 6. Wavy Talk Hair Dryer with Diffuser and Ceramic Technology. The Wavy Talk 1875 Watt Hair Dryer is designed for versatility, utilizing advanced ceramic and ionic technology to lock in moisture and prevent heat damage. Operating with a powerful yet quiet motor, it features 3 custom attachments, including a diffuser for curls and styling combs,
making it uniquely adaptable for textured, wavy, and curly hair types. The handle features clean rocker switches for independent airflow and temperature adjustments, paired with a safe ALCI safety plug. Its lightweight, compact frame reduces arm fatigue significantly, offering an impressive blend of salon-quality performance, travel-friendly ergonomics, and everyday budgetary value.
Choosing the best hairdryer depends heavily on your hair texture and styling goals. Whether you need the heavy-duty Italian motor power of a Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium, the gentle ceramic warmth of a Conair Infinity Pro, or a versatile curl-focus tool like Wavy Talk. Evaluate your daily routine. Check out the links below for current availability and achieve salon-quality blowouts from home.